rusty metal primer. Okay guys, so yesterday was an interesting day. I actually ran out of memory and ran out of daylight. Anyway, knocked over paint, half of the cup, half of the mixing cup, knocked it over and spilled all primer, spilled all over the insides, but it's fine, it's not a big deal. But yeah, it was interesting yesterday. This whole sandblasting project was interesting to say the least. I never sandblasted before, and words cannot describe how much I love this. It's just sand everywhere. I just love it. Anyway, let me show you what I've done. I sprayed epoxy primer everywhere where bare metal would be, and over that red Rust-Oleum primer. So pretty much everywhere except good paint. Like I didn't spray much on like on where the paint is. Where paint is fine, there's no need for primer. Let me clean a couple of spots where the birds left their marks, and we are going to be spraying color. What I'm planning to do is actually spray white everywhere where white goes, and then once it's dry, I will put a paper or some kind of masking and paint blacks right where the blacks goes. Okay guys, so we are done with the white color. Let me show you what we got. It went on pretty easily. Sprays on, like I said, pretty easily. I mean, nothing special. This is just an enamel. I don't know if you can see anything, but yeah, we're done with white color. Got about 2 coats everywhere except engine compartment. I just don't feel like it's needed 2 coats. So we're done with the white. Next is going to be black. Okay, it's getting dark, but we have a last part of this project is these 2 bars. We're gonna paint them black as well, and we're gonna mask them as much as we can because I don't want to get overspray on white. Well guys, just like that, we are done with painting the body. I'm not gonna show you right now the results. Most of it you already seen, but because it's already dark. But I will definitely show you in the next video. We're pretty much done with painting the body, just like I mentioned. And in the next video, we're gonna put this body into a garage. That way I can work on it, rain or shine. And yeah, we're gonna move along with this project. There's gonna be another big part which I'm gonna have to sandblast. That is cab. I'm gonna have to sandblast it from the inside and outside because cab is completely rusted. And there's gonna be a million other small parts that I'm gonna have to sandblast, but most of them I'm hoping to blast in a blasting cabinet. So I'll tell you all about it in the next video, so stick around. I'll see you in the next one.